There are so many cryptocurrencies out there today, it can be difficult to know which ones to buy and which ones to avoid. But it doesn't have to be hard. What's up guys, my name is Ecstatic.eth and today I am going to show you some cryptocurrencies that have huge potential and they could take off at any moment. Should you buy some? Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Also, as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. The crypto space is very risky and I urge you to do your own research. So just for information, none of these are paid promotions and I am not associated with any of these projects. Let's jump right into it and start off with the first project. So the first project we're going to be looking at is called Rewards Bunny. So what is Rewards Bunny? Rewards Bunny is a website where you earn these Rewards Bunny tokens in exchange for shopping at certain online shops and retailers. So the Rewards Bunny currently has a price of 0.009. So Rewards Bunny is a contract on the Binance Smart Chain. It has a market cap of 8.5 million and a fully diluted market cap of just under $10 million. So how Rewards Bunny works is you visit one of these online shops and you get a certain percentage cashback when you buy their products or use the services on these websites. So the thing is, you don't get cash back, you get Rewards Bunny tokens back. So currently they've got a few partners like AliExpress and eBay, Walmart, which is very cool, but I believe this list will grow a lot in the future. But that's not all, let's take a further look. So it looks like they're being audited by a third-party company. They are based in Singapore, doxed owners. Their team has a background in marketing, tech, game development, graphic design. So obviously sounds like they're a little bit experienced. So the Rewards Bunny tokenomics have a tax system in place. The buy tax is 5% and the sell tax is 16%. So what exactly happens with these taxed tokens? If we take a look down here, 5% holders, 2.5% of every buy and 5% of every sell is taken and redistributed to all Rewards Bunny holders. So just by holding the token, you will continue to accumulate these tokens just by people trading it. 2% liquidity pool, 2% of every transaction is transformed into liquidity for PancakeSwap. It's automatic and it helps raise the price floor, so for stability. So if you have an idea of how liquidity pools work, then that's what this 2% is for. It takes 2% of each transaction and adds it to the R-Bunny liquidity pool on PancakeSwap. And then the last one, 6% marketing, 1.5% of every buy and 6% of every sell is taken and sent into a marketing wallet to ensure an aggressive marketing strategy since the start. And looking at the white paper, they've actually got an in-depth roadmap. So as you see, they've only just started this roadmap. They're still going to implement what looks like mobile apps, browser extensions, Easter eggs, who know what that could be, influencer marketing, giveaways and competitions. So this isn't anything groundbreaking, it's just kind of things to get the project up and running. But if you look at Q1 of 2022, this is when stuff starts to get a little bit interesting. They're putting out a Visa card, merch marketplace, more marketing, listings on exchanges, team expansion, so they'll be hiring. So if you're looking for a job, keep a lookout for that. And then for the remaining of 2022, they will develop an NFT marketplace, partnerships, game development, hardware wallet, and plushies. So I mean, for a project which seems to focus around cashback and rewards for shopping on online sites, a Visa card and a game, NFT marketplace, all just seems like a little too much, like they're bitten off more than they can chew. But I'll be interested to see how far they go with this and if they actually deliver on their promises. So let's take a look at the next project. Next, we're going to be looking at Bluezelle. So Bluezelle is on the Ethereum blockchain and it currently has a price of 24 cents per token. It's got a market cap of 78 million and a fully diluted market cap of 124 million with a total supply of 500 million tokens. So what is Bluezelle? So Bluezelle is a blockchain for GameFi, so I guess game finance. With its ability to produce high quality games, protect players' NFTs, and leverage decentralized finance yields with its 10,000 transactions per second Cosmos-based blockchain. So they've actually got a game called Denomination, which is a play-to-earn game. What's cool about this is it's actually developed by people who's worked with Nintendo, Ubisoft, EA, and Zynga. So if we take a look at their products, they have Bluezelle, which is a delegated proof-of-stake blockchain with 10,000 transactions per second. Their game, which is Denomination, a play-to-earn game. And then Bluezelle R2, decentralized storage for files and NFTs. So Denomination is their play-to-earn game, where it's a card game in which you can do PvP, PvE, and you'll be rewarded with tokens that can be used for governance and buying NFTs by the looks of things. So if we look at their white paper, we can see some more details about the game, about the vision, the story, and a few graphics. So it's quite a lot of information. If you want to take a look, head on over to their website and look at their white paper. Currently, the crypto space doesn't have a huge range of options for video games and play-to-earn games. But these guys have experience with EA, Nintendo, and Zynga. They could bring something that's pretty impressive and pretty groundbreaking for the current crypto market. Lastly, let's look at a project called Railgun. So Railgun has a price of $1.41 per token, and for the past 3 months, it looks like they've had a pretty steady increase, and they haven't really been affected at all by the recent crash. So this is built on the Ethereum blockchain with a fully diluted market cap of $141 million. So Rail is actually just a governance token. And what that means is the more tokens you hold, the more percentage you have of voting power when it comes to making changes to the system. So what is Railgun? So Railgun is a smart contract that brings privacy to cryptocurrencies and DeFi. By using Railgun, your wallet address will be removed from your actions and transactions on blockchains, where the information was previously available for anyone who cares to look. So this is true. All blockchain transactions are recorded on the blockchain. So if someone wants to find out where you're sending your funds or what you're buying, they can easily just look this up. So for the average user, they probably will not be needing this, but there are a few people who will benefit a lot. So Railgun can be used for dark pool style trading, where your strategies cannot be copied or counter traded and no one can see what tokens you're buying, what you're selling, how much and how little you're selling and buying, etc. You can enter into new investments without people seeing what you are buying. If you're receiving donations or maybe paid sponsorships, people cannot see where that's coming from. So what I found really cool about this project is they actually have a bug bounty system where you can be rewarded with cold hard cash for finding bugs. So if we take a look, the highest payout they give is $250,000 for a bug that is almost certain and very severe. So you can make a lot of money just by exploiting bugs in the current system. So there is a big list of things that Railgun can be used for. And for a lot of people, I imagine this will be a great service, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this project takes off. So leave a comment down below what you think will be the next big cryptocurrency project. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.